I've already gone ahead, I've printed out the PDF pattern that I purchased, and I just used some 3M adhesive to stick it to some more of this chipboard that I have in the shop. And then I just cut it out with a ruler and an X-Acto knife. It took a little while, but I took my time, and then we ended up with this. So these are our templates. This was that chocolatey-ish leather, the stuff that isn't pull-up leather. So for this, I think I'm going to use that pull-up leather because, I don't know, I really like that stuff and it's fun to work with. So let's go ahead and cut this pattern out, and then I will kind of give you an idea how this goes together. Then we'll poke holes in it and sew it. There's our pieces. We're all cut out. So I marked where the stitches are going to go on this piece, which this little slot is for the zipper. This is my little zipper kit I made a long time ago. I was into making these little dop bags, I guess you call them. But the way I get zipper, or I have in the past, is just a big old line of it. So well, and there's the zippers. So the tricky part is kind of getting, like, pulling the zipper apart and then getting the, I don't know, zipper pull on there. So that's a little bit tricky, but I'm gonna start with just cutting a length of this zipper and then gluing it in there, punching holes, and then sewing this zipper on. The way this pencil case works, and I haven't quite figured out, they don't have plans really, it's just a template. Basically, this thing curves, and then this gets sewn in, kind of like, it's kind of hard to do just like this. like that, like a big taco. So I guess what I need to do is, I can't really punch these individually because I need the holes to line up. So I think I need to find the center on this and the center on this, and then line them up, and maybe I'll try to, oh, you know what I'll do? Okay, I just thought of it. I'll mark this too. We'll mark the center on each one. That's where we'll punch our first hole, and then we'll walk this, you know, either counterclockwise or clockwise, and then they should all line up, so long as our center here and our center here match up exactly. Even with that said, the first thing I'm going to do is glue in the zipper. Oh, and then we talked about burning a laser, like lasering something on here. Maybe I'll just laser like my signature or something right here. I don't know. We'll play around with that. Well, we'll play around with it before we sew it up, I guess. Makes sense. There, my zipper's done, but this thing got kind of, you know, I guess the shape we're going for is sort of like that, so not a bad deal that it kind of started to curl on me, but I was just gonna see if I could use this to flatten it out a little bit. Not the best, but there you go. So there's your zipper. The one thing I forgot to do here is bevel and burnish this inside edge. So I'm either just gonna leave it or I might try to do it right now. My original plan was, like I said, to just line these up and start poking holes, but my only worry is that this warped a little bit. And so I actually might try to glue this whole thing together first and then punch the holes. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. I might end up sewing and punching as we go. It's the only thing. Let's see if our glue sticks, just for fun. It's coming together. I might have gotten in over my waders here. I don't think this glue is gonna hold the whole, like, because you see that's got to go like this, and this seam kind of has to invert slightly. I don't know. I might just keep going, but I'm not against like starting to stitch this just so it doesn't come apart. I want it all to line up real nice, so. All right. Don't worry. This is gonna get better. This is gonna get better. I don't know how you'd sew this on a machine. I like it, it's cool. It's all right, we got this. There it is. I like it. It came out great, I think. It was a little tricky, I'll be honest. I still think it's a beginner project, but because it involves a zipper, it was a little bit more complicated. But I mean, the general, I filled it with paper towel, so it looks a little more plumped up. I have yet to put any pens or pencils in this, but I certainly will. It's got a cool rustic look to it. I really enjoyed this leather. It was fun to work with. I would make this out of a different kind of leather in the future, for sure. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe. I've got more videos about leather coming out pretty soon, and I appreciate you joining me. So we'll see you next time.